guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you, I made a video yesterday.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yesterday I made a video of huge rain in Qatar, and thanks guys for already 21 views. 16 hours ago, already 21 views. Okay, so yeah, so thanks guys. So, and in this video I'm gonna show you what happened after the rain in Qatar. It will rain today, but I'm just gonna show you a little bit of after the rain. So this is after the rain. What happened? Like this flood, a little flood was from yesterday. Oh my god. Even this was from yesterday. What? You got your channel, and my friend got his channel back. So, yep.
I fighted for. I got against my brother in a match, so I can fight. And then who won got my channel, and then I won.
Okay, so I'll explain it faster. So, guys, it's freezing cold out here. I'm gonna go get a jacket. So, and guys, to tell you something, my friend I'll explain the match of him. So, who wins the match of like wrestling match gets the channel. So Yanal won. Did Sari cry? Was he sad? What? Okay, so he won, so he got his channel back.
So
Said he wins, he takes Yanal's channel. So guys, I'm gonna now go get a jacket, and I'm gonna continue the video. Okay guys, I'm back. Got my jacket. So, yeah. What? Found?
they found someone somewhere. Come.
Okay. بدك تكوني بيوتيوب فيديو؟
YouTube?
ايه.
Laura, do you want to be in YouTube?
Where? Where's the mud? Guys, wait.
Look at that!
Wait. Guys, we might have to end the
It's raining.
we might have to end the video. It started raining. This is this is the mud from yesterday. We're making it the next day. So you can see it's the morning.
Wait, let's go with those. My ankle from running.
11.
What?
Stop swearing, guys.
Was this from yesterday?
Yes.
Ken, don't swear. This was from yesterday. I think this one. It's beautiful. I'm joking. You disgusting, huh? Oh, what's this? This is rain. It's raining, Sunny. Oh, there's one A.
Guys, it started raining, so in the night we're gonna make a video.
Okay.
Right? We're gonna make a video. If you want to be in the video, then you have to come out and stop playing it.
Okay. Okay.
So in the night when we're gonna make a video of the rain, the huge rain in Qatar Part 2. So,
It's from yesterday.
yep. Oh yeah, that's from yesterday. I
Wait,
saw.
this is from today?
No, yesterday.
Tell subscribers under.
Okay, so
Subscribers under.
we'll have to end the video here, right?
Why are you ending the video?
What?
I'm not ending mine.
No, you know, it started raining, so we don't want to show them the rain now. We're gonna show them in the night.
Storm.
Today's December 26th.
Guys, I'm gonna stop the video here, and yeah. Guys, look at how deep. Look at how deep it is from yesterday. This was from yesterday.
Man, it's so freezing. It's freezing cold.
Man, it's so disgusting. Like, the rain
Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here.